Welcome to the Prosis Pro print tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use Prosis Pro's engine specification print option. In Prosis Pro, you can print your engine specs, diagrams, bulletins, estimates, work orders, invoices, engine calculations, and worksheets. To print your engine specifications, select and open the engine you want to print. For example, from your recently viewed list, select Acura Integra. Press the Print button on the top right under the navigation. Our Print Manager window will open. Inside the Print Manager window, you will see all the engine sections such as cylinder head, camshaft, and torque tune-up that you can print for the engine. You can also print any other additional information such as casting numbers, diagrams, and parts. You can click on Select All to print everything, or you can select the individual sections you need to print. Once you click on the Print button, a new window will open with the PDF, and from here you can either save it to your desktop to email or print to your printer. On the PDF, you will also notice that the header information is included. You can add your header information under Settings inside Shop Counter. You can also print individual diagrams of the engine by clicking the Print button next to the diagram you want to print. A new window will open, and then you simply press the Print button. To print a bulletin, under the Bulletin tab, select and open a bulletin. Let's select bulletin number 2615. Press the Print button on the top. A new window will open, and when you hover over the bottom right corner, a menu will appear. Press the printer icon and then the Print button. In our Shop Counter, you can print an estimate, work order, or invoice. Under the Estimate, Work Order, Invoice tab, select and open the item you wish to print. For example, job number 1044. Then press the Print button at the top corner. A new window will open, a menu will appear. Press the printer icon and then the Print button. In our Shop Tools tab, you can print engine calculations and worksheets. Select the Engine Calculator tab, enter your data, click the Calculate button, and then press the Print button on the top. To print a worksheet, click on the Download Worksheet tab and select a worksheet to download. Let's select Deck Height Worksheet. A new window will open, and when you hover over the bottom right corner, a menu will appear. Press the printer icon and then the Print button. To print, you will need to make sure your browser pop-up blocker is turned off. To learn more about dashboard, engine specification search, how to create a custom engine, bulletins, Shop Counter, Shop Tools, and My Account settings, we recommend watching the related tutorial videos.